You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting property from mathematics and computer science. There are indeed two different pronunciations. That's probably why you've been wondering, and both are correct. Idempotence, and that's more the British English pronunciation, and in the US American English, idempotence. Idempotence or idempotence, both are correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.